Lift it up. It's taken me a little bit, all the winter, to myself to actually come out here and work. I've let everything become covered in grinding dust, including the engine. As you can see, nothing's changed. That's pull the bottom end out. That's what we're gonna do. So the reason why I've got 11 videos up and everyone else only does this in like 2 videos is because I only have 3 hours worth of battery life on the GoPro with 3 separate batteries, 1 hour each. That's a bit stiff, so let's go rotate this. I should probably put something underneath it to stop it from around. Not sure whether to go left or right. Let's give left a go. Ooh, please rotate. Oh man, this is stiff. Maybe a bit of lube, maybe a bit of lubricant in there. Squirt. You never see them struggle online to rotate this stuff. Never. So I was like, oh, he just rotates. I don't know why. Oh yeah. Good thing I put those buckets down. Jeez. It's gotta go like that, and then. Oh. There we go. Let's give it a bit of a hand. Sweet. It's off. I should have done this when I actually started pulling the engine apart the first time, instead of now. You know, I've already pulled the timing chain, the head off, and now I'm pulling this off. Stupid. Nice. Sniff test. Taste test. I don't know. See that? Not bad. See that? I don't know. I don't know what I'm looking at. Oil filter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, that one. There. Got it? Oh yeah. This one? Loose. Oh yeah. This one? There. Got it? Sweet. Yeah, that's a bit of a mischief, to be honest. I mean, I can't even flex that back into position. That is a big whoopsie. Yeah, that's a big whoopsie. Probably why it was so hard to get off. Yikes. Well, that can go in the bin. Oh, this one's busted as well. It doesn't need to be straight. Ooh, good thing I'm not using it again. Far out. Bit of a whoopsie daisy. Still full of coolant. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cool. In the bin. In the bin. Straight out in the bin. Alrighty. So, we got Sump bolts. Sump bolts. Alright, I mean, the 8mm. Like, they're tiny bolts, dude. Like, they're not hard to do. Like, there's nothing to them. I don't know what these are. I don't know. Are they on the other side? Yes, they are. I don't know what they are. I should really check the book. Yeah, these bolts are alright. Yeah, I should probably have watched something to see actually what I need to do when it comes to this stage of pulling this engine apart, but let's come off. I imagine these bolts probably, oh, they might go into the, yeah, they go into the caps of the bearing. Oh, these are tight. Okay, breaker bar. Yeah, breaking. Which way's left, which way's right? Yeah. Ah. Yeah, buddy. Ugh. Whew. Ooh, oh, these have a washer. Okay. Should remember that. They've got a washer. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's just the silicone holding it in. I think so. I can't think of anything else. Their engines aren't symmetrical, so should check the no access side. Ooh. Missed one. Does it still got one? No, it doesn't. Is it coming, Mr. Krabs? Yeah, there we go. Alright, grand reveal. Oh, there's no, hold on, spot there. Ooh. Oh, gross, dude. Look at that. Oh, man. Really? You never see this, man. Why don't I buy petrol, man? Why don't I buy fucking gas? Oh. Why don't I buy gas? Dude. Talk about stitch up. that varnish. There's not a single thing in this engine that isn't coated in it. It's so full of oil as well. I guess we'll just take the pickup off. There we go. This sucks on every level possible. I imagine when I die, if I go to hell, you know, God forbid, in like every layer of hell that there is, you know, my circle will be rebuilding this engine. Just rebuilding this engine. That's gonna be my circle of hell. Is having to deal with just this shit. It's just rebuilding engines. They're full of this. Like never getting a clean engine. It's just so that's been my passion punishment. And I have to edit the videos afterwards and upload them to YouTube for like 2 people to watch. Thanks to those 2 people, Jared and my uncle. So sad. So sad. Mad. As you can see, I'm wearing my cool t-shirt with 2 Mad on it while I work on my Barra. I reckon 2 Mad would love the Barra. Like I love miners. Anyway, I'm getting oil everywhere. Like Diddy. Anyway, don't mind all those jump cuts. Just clean this oil. Clean the oil. Clean. So it's all gonna go in this tub, and then the tub will go to work, and I will wash everything in my own time. Fuck. Outside to inside, I reckon. Oh, fuck me, these are tight. Oh my god. Oh. Nah, they're just tight as. Holy. Oh man, I don't know if you can hear it. I can hear it. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, these nuts don't come off. They're not nuts. They're part of the bolt. The studs are for something else. Oh, the studs are for the pickup. Fucking idiot. Oh man, I'm looking down the bottom end of this right now.
Yeah.
It is so ugly in here. There's just...
You would have fucking loved it at my job today too.
There is just varnish on everything. Nothing is polished. Everything is golden.
Yeah.
Um...
Hey, Doug, what do you know about Barra engines? Pulling them apart. Guys, Dylan's struggling because he's
Oh.
upside down. He's taking this.
No, I've just lifted up, lifted up, lifted up, lifted up. I just dropped one of them.
Al said it's not that hard. You should be done by now.
I just dropped one of them.
You dropped one of the bolts.
No, I just dropped one of the bearings. Oh my god.
What you do?
No, the bearing.
Yeah.
It's worn right through the babbitt.
What?
It's worn right through the babbitt.
No way.
It's... I'm not shitting you. It's worn right through the babbitt. There's a groove. I hope that's not a groove on the crank.
Which means that was like one burnout away from fucking...
There's a groove on the crank. There's a heat groove on the crank.